I'm Doug Daniel. Welcome to the program, How to Build a Successful, Profitable Business. I'll be your host for this program. You're here because you clicked on our ad in LinkedIn promising to tell you how to stop selling your valuable time to a boss 8 hours a day and capitalize on the current economic situation. That's what I'm going to do. I fired my boss at 53. If I knew then what I know now, I would have done it at 33. Because of the pandemic, there has never been a better time to start your own online business, one that can set you up to live the life of your dreams while you run a business you love. Before the pandemic, the online business sector was growing at 10% a year. Now it's growing at over 30% a year. Most people are working from home and they don't want to go back into the office. They don't like the commute. They don't like the dress code. They want to work their hours and be near the people they love. That gave us the Great Resignation. Many quit intending to start their own businesses so they could work from home. If that's you, or if you think that might be you, you've come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through a series of 5 sessions. Each one covers a different part of starting and building a successful business. When you finish this program, you will be able to decide if the free and lucrative lifestyle of the online entrepreneur is worth the commitment needed to make that life-changing transformation. I'm going to show you how I did it, and I'm going to show you how other highly successful entrepreneurs do it. I'll walk you through a series of mindsets, strategies, tactics, and lessons that I learned starting several businesses. I have started many businesses. I have tried many different business and product ideas that didn't work. I kept testing and learning and trying and refining my tactics until I got to the point that most of the products I launch and most of the businesses I launch succeed. They succeed for the long term. With most businesses failing, according to Michael Gerber, author of The E-Myth, about 80% of new businesses fail within the first 5 years, and about 80% of the survivors fail in the next 5 years. So, more than 90% of the businesses fail in the first 10 years. Facing those odds, having most of my businesses and products succeed is actually quite a feat. I think it has to do with having the right mindset, the right strategies, right tactics, and the right approaches. To build a profitable business, you need 5 things. You need the right mindset, you need the right niche, you need the right product, you need the right marketing, and you need the right people. And because these are the 5 essentials for starting and building a profitable business, this is going to be the format of the program. In the first of the 5 sessions, you'll learn about the right mindset, the one you need to stand above other online entrepreneurs. In the second one, I'll help you target the right niche, one that fits your personality, knowledge, interest, and skills. After the third session, you'll know how to create the right product, the product your customers will buy. The fourth session dives into how to create the right marketing, how to promote and position your product so that it sells itself. In the fifth session, my favorite, you'll learn how to attract, coordinate, and motivate the right people, because all great success in life comes through assistance and collaboration with other people. So register below so we can get started with session 1.